This particular video is for engineering aspirants. Students who want to move for engineering course know first some important points to note. Students usually they feel some confusion about which college they should choose to do their engineering course. To get rid of such confusion, here I am giving you some suggestions to follow. First of all, students they should know their talent and skill and their knowledge. Basing on their knowledge and skills, they can get an idea which branch of engineering suits well to them. So you should select accordingly your branch. The first tip in choosing the right engineering college: choose the right specialization in which area you want to do your engineering course. First of all, students need to decide which branch of engineering they wish to pursue based on their interest and aptitude. The second tip in choosing the right engineering college is watch out for affiliations to top regulatory bodies. Some of the best universities in India are recognized by the University Grants Commission. Also, this gives them an added advantage as they have to maintain a certain standard of education and training to be recognized by the UGC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAC), and the National Board of Accreditation (NBA) are also very well recognized and stringent bodies of accreditation. It is safe bet to seek admission in the colleges that are approved and accredited by NBA and the NAC. Thirdly, we have conduct a thorough campus tour. The college in which you are going to join will be considered as your home and a training ground for the duration of your educational journey. That the college's campus is exceptional across all levels. Check out the facilities offered to the students, including playgrounds, canteens, recreation facilities, etc. Fourth tip, look out for international tie-ups. Colleges which want to contribute to their students' overall development will have tie-ups with international universities and institutions to facilitate advanced student training. As a part of fifth tip, check ranking and awards held by the college. Many prestigious institutes they conduct comprehensive surveys on college every year and rank them based on the quality of education and training they provide to students. Look for such rankings as well as awards held by the engineering college. You should also study their student support system. A college become an ecosystem where students study, train and develop their professional and personal skills. A college student support system can make or break your academic aspirations. As a seventh tip, check the annual placement record. The goal of pursuing any degree is to ultimately find a desirable employment. So make sure that the college you enroll for has a good placement record or not. You should also observe that the engineering courses must be updated regularly to maintain their relevance to the industry, faculty members, laboratories and infrastructure, research opportunities and facilities. Best engineering colleges have dedicated research facilities for their students, high-tech labs and even government grants also. Students must watch research initiatives a college undertakes, and the number of papers published by in-house scholars. So these are the 10 tips for the engineering aspirants to choose right engineering college or university for doing their engineering course. Good luck. Thank you.